What is it?
That's why I wasn't
All you
I
do is
wasn't meant to
sit
be
there.
an actress. I wasn't meant to be an actress. Hey guys, we just got back from Phoenix on our 4-day trip and we stayed in our new motorhome and the mattress is terrible. So Scott, I made him go online and he found this.
Yep, this is a Tochta Mattress. They're the only company that I found that can make custom mattresses, any cut, any thickness, anything you want. In the 25R, it has a radius corner. It's really hard to find that mattress, but we found this and we're excited to try it out.
Yep. So, we're gonna open it. So we just laid in it for a few minutes. What do you think, honey?
It's good. A little soft, but it's good.
Yeah, it definitely feels soft. Not hard at all. Like, I mean, we're hoping that maybe it'll expand over time. We're not quite sure. We've never had a foam mattress, so we'll see. We'll get back to you on what we think.
So we just got done sleeping out here last night and wanted to finish up the review on our mattress. I think it was really nice. It's not soft. It's not like a memory foam where you sink into it, but it's also not firm. I mean, you could feel yourself kind of wiggle into it.
It definitely felt soft though when we first put it on.
Yeah, so I don't think it's. We let it air out for a week. When we first took it out of the package, it really smelled pretty bad, like plasticky. But now it doesn't have any smell. So we're pretty happy with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It definitely looks nice too.
It's
Before you
thicker,
put your
too.
sheets on.
It's
But
a
it
lot
feels
thicker.
yeah. No, we liked it. It was. Would you rate it though soft or firm?
Medium firm.
See, I'm more medium firm.
Yeah.
It was
Anyways.
good. I slept good all night.
Yeah.
I didn't wake up with a backache, so
And it didn't get hot. A lot of the memory foam
Yeah.
ones get hot.
Yeah,
It
I didn't get hot.
at all. So
it was good.
yeah.
And it fits perfectly into this spot, so we know that when you order your dimensions, it's going to come the way you order it.
It's a perfect fit.
Mhm.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. What's it called again?
Tochta.
Tochta.
Tochta. Link below.
Okay. All right, go. Okay, I'm ready.